UNH middle of the day, there was some news came on UNH and it gave us a 512 call. We were actually trying to short in the UNH in the morning. Pre-market game plan for UNH was our day 3 setup. Short under 34.50, long over while it was chopping earlier, but the setup, the Ripster 512 call setup came right there. That's when I told the traders 512 calls, long a 280 Lottos, 278 Lottos, whatever you want to trade it. I gave the first target of 283 and the second target I gave was 286, 290. As we start to hit the pre-market highs, pre-market levels, MTF targets, I told the traders to hold. And by the end of the day, the UNH Lottos really went crazy for us. When the 512 call came and I told the traders to long it, the 280 Lottos ran from $2-3 all the way to $12. And then we got a 512 pullback and then I told the traders the next target is 290. And then we even bounced there when the Lottos bounced from 5 all the way to 14, went another 100%. So that's the beauty of the Lotto options, guys. If you are buying it right here, $200, $300, then you're assuming 100% risk on a lot of options, because by the end of the day, your $300 just became $1,200. So the traders usually come in, they try to buy a big position and then they panic and they sell for 20-30% and then they run 1000%. The key in the Lotto options is to size small and win exponential, because even if you lose on a lot of options, you don't lose much and it's always an assumed risk. Tesla in the morning was breaking out. There was insane amount of flow coming in on Tesla and we tried to long it, although we knew the market was heavy. So I told the traders to not size too big on Tesla, but regardless, we followed the flow and we were long on Tesla. But look at that, the amateur move and the trend move came all the way back, boom, right away we stopped out here when it broke the 512s. When you trade right at the open, you take those lot of options, but you need to assume 100% risk just in case of CVNA, Core V, UNH. So let's say we were trading those 350 calls on Tesla at $320, $340 or $4, but it pulls back to 3 when you stop out. You take that 30, 40, 50% loss and move on, because guess what? We are making 100 to 100% on Core V, Coin, UNH, and that's how you manage a lot of risk. This one bad trade on Tesla shouldn't define your rest of the day, because if we have taken those lot of options at $300, I'm assuming it as 100% risk. So the point is always try to lose the same amount on every lot of option you trade, and watch my risk management webinar. I explain that in that webinar in detail how to manage those lot of options. So anyways, guys, so this is how you trade a lot of options, risk reward, how you can make 100% of gains, and even when you lose small, but you gain many times of your loser.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.